Time for futures in focus. Hurricane Michael heading towards the Florida Panhandle, threatening some crops. Joining us now from the CME is Ted Seifried, Vice President at Zaner AG Hedge. Ted, good morning. Cotton, I guess, is probably the main focus here. How much cotton is still in the fields?
Yeah, so for the current track, cotton is the main focus for Michael right now. The Carolinas and Georgia produce about 20% of the U.S. cotton. Some key areas could be receiving up to 5 to 7 inches of rain, which could produce a fair amount of damage because we're only about 10% harvested in those areas, and we're very much in a stage where cotton could get a fair amount of damage. This comes at a time where India production is expected to fall 4 to 5% based on inclement weather there as well. We've already had damage from Hurricane Flo, so we're expecting a bit of a bullish USDA report coming out here on Thursday, but all of this news might cause a little bit more short covering and possibly some more upside mobility for this market. We've got support at 73.50, upside resistance is 78.50, and they're at $81.
Ted, we could bring up the track of Michael on Her Go on the Bloomberg, and you can find this if you go to your Bloomberg. As I say, type in Her Go. The current track takes a route that is away from the citrus belt. If we were to see this track changing, is there concern around the citrus crop?
Yeah, so it's very much about the track of Michael, right? If we stay a little further east and go through the southern and central part of Florida, then we have a big citrus problem. We saw orange juice spike higher here this morning, but then sharply come down to make new lows shortly thereafter that because of the track. The other thing is if you go a little bit further west into the Mississippi Delta, then we've got sugarcane that's really in focus there. And sugar's already rallied about 20% off of its lows here in just in the last few weeks based on the higher Brazilian real and making our exports more competitive. So there could be a pretty significant impact in commodities. It all just depends on which way this track blows.